Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. I've just come back from 5 days in Kazakhstan, where I was talking at the EdCrunch conference in Almaty. And while I was there, I also got the chance to spend a day talking to and working with a great group of teachers from the Kazakh Association of English Language Teachers. It was actually the second time I'd been to Kazakhstan, but the first time was, I think, 12 years ago. And a lot has changed since then. There are a lot of visible differences. I can see that they've been investing a lot of money in green technology. There are a lot more electric cars and electric buses and stuff. There seems to be a kind of growing pride in Kazakh identity, Kazakh culture, and kind of Kazakh language. They're also clearly ploughing huge amounts of money into education. And perhaps as a result, you notice that a lot more people speak at least some level of English. And as I said, I met this really great, engaged, well-connected group of English language teachers. And, you know, as a teacher myself, it's really lovely to see that the ELT sector is on the up over there. If you say that a sector or a business or a person or a company or a country is on the up, it usually means it's improving all the time. It's getting better all the time. As we'll see, it can also mean that something is increasing all the time. It's often used when talking about business. So if you listen to the business news, you hear things like business confidence is on the up, or trust in the economy is on the up. Or you hear things like, yeah, since she changed companies and moved to this new place, her career has been on the up. If you want to emphasize it, you could say her career's been on the up and up. Yeah, I guess it's that idea of getting better and better and better all the time. You sometimes hear it when people are talking about areas or parts of London, like up and coming areas. So people might say, the whole area's on the up. There's been a lot of investment in the area. And if you only knew it in the past, you'd hardly recognise the place now. However, it doesn't always have to be about good things. You also hear things like inflation is on the up again, where it basically just means inflation is increasing again. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see how you might use on the up.